Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Office 365 school or work account, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type office.com into the address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign in option located at the top right corner. Click on sign in. On the next page, select create one under the need a Microsoft account prompt. You will be redirected to a form to enter your information. Fill in your email address provided by your school or organization. If you do not have one, click on Get a new email address to create a new one. Create a strong password and enter it in the designated field. Click Next to proceed. You may be asked to verify your phone number or email for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, you will be prompted to fill in additional personal details. Enter your first and last name, then click Next again. Read through the privacy statement and terms of service. If you agree, click the checkbox to accept the terms and continue. Now, you'll see a summary of your account information. Review your details and click Create Account. Your account is now set up. To access Office 365, type office.com in the address bar again. Click Sign In at the top right corner once more. Enter your newly created email address and password. Once logged in, you can begin exploring the available Office 365 applications. Congratulations, you've successfully registered for an Office 365 school or work account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.